So good day everyone. Today we will be reporting type checking comparison using the language Java versus JavaScript. So I am Vincent Landicha and today with Mr. Gabriel Inavare we will be going through the concepts of type checking. So for uh, our objective is to compare how Java and JavaScript perform type checking, identify their typing style, and evaluate trade-offs in safety, performance, and flexibility. So our chosen language, as we say, Java and JavaScript. The reason we choose Java and JavaScript is because how they show strong contrast. So Java enforces type at compile time, while JavaScript checks at runtime. So for the concept, so we have static typing. So as we say static typing, it checks at compile time while dynamic typing checks at runtime. Strong typing means that it prevents implicit type conversion. Quick typing allows to be automatically mixed, while nominal typing is means that type compatibility based on the explicit declaration. The structural typing is the compatibility based on the structure. So for our first language overview, we have Java. So the characteristic of Java is static typing, meaning Java checks at compile time. It has strong typing, so Java does not allow implicit conversion between unrelated type, like numbers to strings. So nominal typing, so the type compatibility depends on the explicit class or interface name, not the structure. So for interference typing, so Java support type interference via the var variable using the Java version 10. So how type checking works on Java? So Java checks type correctness before the .class file. If a variable type does not match, the compiler throws an error and stop the compilation. As we can see on the code, the compiler stopped running because the type is mismatched.
Now, let's look at JavaScript and how it handles typing. JavaScript uses dynamic typing, meaning types are checked only when the codes run. A variable can change from a number to a string anytime. It is also weakly typed, so it automatically converts types when needed. For example, adding a number and a string will turn two number into text. With structural typing, JavaScript focuses on shape of an object, not its declared type. If two objects looks the same, they treated as compatible. And because of inference typing, the language guesses the type from the value you assign, but you can still change it later to any type.
So for the comparison chart, so we have Java as static, JavaScript as dynamic. For strength, we have Java for strong typing and JavaScript is for weak typing. So for the type checking, as we said, Java is compile time and JavaScript is runtime. So the type system, so nominal for Java. For JavaScript, it is structural. For type inference, so Java has limited type inference via var. And for JavaScript, it is automatic or implicitly coherence.
Here, we can see the difference between Java and JavaScript in action. On the left, Java uses static and strong typing. When we try to assign a string to an integer variable, it throws a compile time error. Java doesn't even let the program run. It also requires explicit conversion like turning a number into string with integer that to string function. Everything is type safe, and operation like number addition work exactly as expected. On the right, JavaScript is dynamic and weakly typed. We can change a variable's type freely. For example, from a number to string, and JavaScript won't stop us. But when we multiply hello times 2, we get a null number, showing a runtime error instead of compile time 1. JavaScript also performs automatic conversion, like turning string of 5 plus 2 into a string of 52, or true plus 1 into integer 2.
So in conclusion, there are two distinct methods for type checking in Java and JavaScript. Because Java is statistically typed language, it validates variable types during compilation, ensure improved performance, and reliability by identifying type-related issues early. For large-scale application where accuracy and stability are crucial, it is highly recommended. However, because JavaScript is a dynamically typed language, type checking takes place during runtime. More flexible and quicker development are made possible by this. But if not handled appropriately, it can occasionally result in unanticipated type errors. It works best for application involving web development where flexible and rapid testing are essential. Overall, the strength of both language vary based on the objective. JavaScript offers flexibility and speed, while Java offers safety and structure. That's all for our reporting. Thank you.